Friends, in this video I'm going to solve simultaneous equation involving substitution method. Now the first thing that we need to consider here is that we are given two linear equations, x minus 2y equals to 5 and also 6x plus 2y equals to 7. So what will happen here is that I can make my x derivative formula from this equation 1, right? So here I'm going to have x equals to 5, that will be plus 2y, right? Then I call this equation 3. So the next thing is that I'm going to put equation 3 into equation 2, right? So putting this equation 3 into equation 2, I'm going to have 6 into brackets. My x is everything here, which is 5 plus 2y, right? Then plus 2y again equals what? 7. So simplify this further, I'm going to have 30 plus, that's actually 12y plus 2y equals what? 7. Then simply, in this case, I'm going to have this to be 30 plus, that's actually 14y equals to what? 7. So simply, I'm going to have 14y equals to what? 7 minus 30, and also 14y equals to what? 7 minus 30, that's actually minus 23. Then I can just derive this by 14, right? So in this case, I'm going to have my y to be equals to what? Minus 23 divided by what? 14. So after that, I can just come back to this equation and say, since my y equals to minus 23 divided by 14, I can just come back here and just say, I'll put the value of y here. I'm going to have x equals to what? 5 plus 2 into brackets. My y is minus 23 divided by what? 14. Right? So 2 goes in 14, that's actually 7. I'm going to have x equals to 5 minus 23 divided by what? 7. Then let's just find the same here. So here we're going to have 7, which is equal to x in this case. Then here we're going to have this will be 35 minus 23. So our x will be what? 35 minus 23, that's actually minus 23, that should give us 12 divided by 7. So therefore, in this case, s equals to 12 divided by 7, our y equals to minus 23 divided by what? 14. So that's just it as far as the first one is concerned. Now let's just move to the second question. So the second question says x divided by 2 plus 3y divided by 4 equals to 10, and at the same time it says 3x, the second equation, divided by 2 minus y equals to what? 4. So that's the second. So this is the first equation and this is what? Second equation. Now from the second equation, I can easily see that I can actually make my y the surrogate to the formula in this case, right? So here I'm going to have this word minus y equals to, that's 14 minus 3x divided by 2. Then if I should multiply everything here by minus, right, by negative side, I'm going to have this word y equals to what? This is going to be minus and this is going to be plus. I'm going to have 3x divided by 2, then minus what? 4. Right? So simply I can simplify the LCM here. So here I'm going to have 3x, then minus 8 is equal to y. Right? So now from this equation 3, I can actually put this expression into what? Into equation 1. So that I'm going to have x divided by 2, then plus 3 divided by 4 into brackets my y, which is what? 3x minus 8 divided by 2, and is equals to what? 10. Now in this case, if I simplify this expression further, I'm going to have x divided by 2 plus, this is going to be 3 into bracket 3x minus 8, then divided by 4 multiplied by 2, that's actually 8, right? Equals to 10. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll go ahead and simplify further again. If I simplify this expression further, I'm going to have this to be equal, that's actually x divided by 2, right? Then plus, this is 9x, this is minus 24, right? Divided by 8, because 3 multiplied by 3x, 9x, 3 multiplied by 8, that's actually minus 24. Divided by 8 is equals to 10, exactly. So let's just find the LCM here. We're having 8. So this is going to be 4x plus 9x minus 24 equals what? 10, exactly. So here we can just cross multiply, so that we're going to have 4x plus 9x minus 24 is equals to 80. So after that, if you simplify this further, we are going to have this word 4x plus 9x is going to be 13x, right? Then minus 24, this 24 equals what? 80, right? So here I'm going to have 13x equals what? 80 plus 24. So 13x equals to what? That's actually 104. Then I can divide this out by 13. So we are dividing by 13. I'm going to have this x to be equal to what? That should be 8. But let me just verify it on my calculator. 104 divided by 13. That's it exactly. So that's just it. So since the value of x is equal to 8, then the next thing is I will come back to this expression 3, which is equation 3. You can now say from equation 3, we know that y is equal to what? 3x minus 8 divided by 2. Then since s equals to what? 8, we can just add it to what? 3 into bracket 8 minus 8 divided by what? 2. Exactly. So in this case, I can simply say 2 goes in 8 here, right? I'm going to have it to be what? To be 4. 2 goes in this also is going to what? 4. So 3 multiplied by 4, that's actually 12 minus 4, which is equal to what? 8. So y is also what? 8. So therefore, we can just say s is equal to 8 when y is equal to what? 8, or y equals to 8 when s equals to what? 8. So that's just it. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly click on the subscription button, and don't forget to share my video with your friends, and also click on the notification button so as to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for watching.